everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a perch or training stand for your parrot or bird using simple and inexpensive materials. This is a very versatile perch, as by simply changing the stem tube you can have a tabletop stand or a training perch. First item you're going to need is a cutter for your tube. Now I bought this one from Screwfix for about £2.90 and is a very good cutter, maybe you can look it up. The next item is known as a T. This is what we're going to be using to join up all our pipes, and in this frame we can see the pipes themselves. I bought a 3-meter long pipe and that's how much I needed to complete this whole build. First of all, we're going to cut the pipe into 25cm lengths. We're going to need 8 of those. Then we're going to cut 12.5cm lengths as well. You're going to need 2 of those. And then finally you're going to need a 75cm length one. To begin cutting, we're just going to widen our cutter, like the gap between the blade and the rotation device. You're going to mark out your tube to whatever length you need it. So let's say it was 25cm. And then you're just going to place the marking right on top of the blade, so that the blade is actually marking the length that you want to cut. So as you can see, I'm just widening my cutter, and right now I'm just matching it up, the blade, to the marks that I've already made on the tube using a pencil or any colored pen that you may be able to see. Now you just tighten the cutter a tiny bit, just like how I'm doing, and then you just start rotating the tube. And what happens is the blade is going to create a groove inside your pipe, and so once the groove gets deeper, and it gets to a certain depth, the blade won't be able to cut anymore until you tighten it. So after a while you just need to tighten the blade again, just like I'm doing, and you keep repeating this process until you have a pipe that is cut into 2, and one of your lengths will be your 25cm length that you required, or maybe your 75cm length that you required. And finally you get to this stage where you can see the pipe has just been cut. So all you need to do is just loosen the pipe a bit and make sure the blade just keeps running over the groove that is created. Assuming you've finished cutting all your tubes now, all you're going to need to do is put the 12.5cm tube that you've cut in between your center T and the left and the right hand T. Then the 25 just go everywhere else. Now when it comes to the stem pipe, you can either use a 75cm stem pipe that we cut earlier, if you're using it as a training perch, or if you want a tabletop one, you can use your 25cm one. And if you want to extend it even further, you've cut a 25cm tube already, so you can use the spare T that you have and join that to that 25. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that your bird enjoys this perch as much as Penny does.